how to get your pool pump to prime. So for the pool pump to work properly, it does need to suck in only water, not air. So if it's sucking air and you see a lot of bubbles and it's really not moving water, it's not primed. Let's open her up and show you what it looks like. So if the water's drained down, we'll empty that. So if the water's drained down, you're going to have to fill it with water. These are just pulling the water back from the pool. One might be your skimmer, one might be the deep drain in the pool. It really doesn't matter how many you have. So close up the valves that you have, and you want to top this off with water. Before you prime your pump, you do want to inspect the cover. Likely it's cracked, and that's why you're getting air in the system and it's not priming. Or the seal, inspect the seal. This black seal is a replaceable part. It's actually quite inexpensive, but it does go bad. And if you don't have a good seal, you're getting air in the system, it will not prime, it will not run properly. Also, you'll notice it's not priming if in the morning you check your pump is just running dry, but no water is moving. You've lost prime. Somewhere in the system you have a leak. Usually it's at the cover or the seal to the pump, but it could also be this connector, these connectors. Could be a crack in the pipe, could be a leak at the valve. I often notice in the springtime that these valves develop air leaks and I have to reseal them. Okay, with the valves closed, we're going to fill this up with water. This is just water, not chlorine. I promise you, it's just pool water. So you're just going to fill it right up to the top. There we go. And then quickly close it. Now, if your pull switch is close by, you can do this all by yourself. If your pump switch is far away, you may want somebody to help you. But basically, as soon as I turn on the pump, I'm going to open up one of the valves. It doesn't matter. It'll pull twice as much from this or 50% from it. It doesn't matter. So you want to turn the switch, quickly open your valve. It should suck in water. And as long as it's continuing to pull water, it will prime and be okay. Now in here, you can see that it's pulling in water. It has a little bit of air initially, but it should start getting better and better. You can actually hear it. I always make sure my lid is on nice and tight. There it goes. It's increasing the water flow and getting better and better. Okay, now I'm going to open up all the inlet valves. So that little bit of air bubbling you see at the top, likely they'll be very minimal or go away at some point. You want it optimally all water, see no air bubbles at all, but give it time. So there you go. That's how to prime a pool pump. As long as you have no air in the system, only water, your pump will prime. It's the same procedure with Hayward pumps or with any pool pumps out there on the market. Hey, I bet you can do it yourself. Good luck.